everyone, welcome back to the Relax and Craft YouTube channel. My name's Fleur and today we're going to be unboxing the March 2025 Relax and Craft subscription box. So if you don't know what the subscription box is, it is a monthly box which is sent through your door, which is curated for a certain jewellery making medium. So let's get this one open and we'll see what this month was all about. So you get your little piece of paper which tells you how to join the Facebook group and how to get onto the tutorials. Each box comes with 3 video tutorials and a written PDF tutorial, so you will be able to make 3 pieces of jewellery. The main piece of jewellery will always have a PDF supported tutorial with it. So let's get this one open and we will see what's inside. So the first thing is, as always, our relax part of Relax and Craft. So your biscuits and your cup of tea. This one is chamomile, lemon balm and lavender organic infusion, and you've got some beautiful chunky Belgian chocolate biscuits. So everything comes in these gorgeous organza bags. So we've got 3 organza bags. These are perfect for regifting the pieces that you're going to make, or for keeping all your components in, or selling your pieces. So great little added bonus with these lovely organza bags, and everything else comes in Ziploc bags so you can use those again. Right, I'm going to clear all this down and we're going to go through each bag individually. So let's look in this beautiful lemon, well, like a zesty green bag here. So we've got some threading materials here. We've got some wire, which is a 0.6 wire. You've got roughly about 1 meter of that wire. You have some beading thread, roughly 10 meters of beading thread. It's 0.38, so, and it's in this beautiful white smoke color. It's a really lovely beading thread. Great to pop in your travel jewellery making as well. So if you take your jewellery making away on holiday with you, this is a great size reel to take with you. And then we've got some monofilament. So monofilament is like a I've got one open here, let me, so I can show you. So it's like a see-through, a translucent nylon thread. It's a bit like fishing wire. So if you've ever worked with fishing wire, it's the same sort of thing, and it means that you can make designs without any of the beading thread showing. So you've got 15 meters and this is a 0.3. So that's our first bag. Then in our second bag, which is our lovely lavender bag, let's have a little look in here what we've got. Lots of findings. So each bag will have multiple findings in it. So this first bag, we have our fabulous chain, and we've got some beautiful bead caps. So let me just zoom in so you can see the bead caps. I'll just pick some up for you to have a look at. So you can see they are, I think they are an 8mm bead cap. So they work with an 8mm gemstone. Let's get you to focus so you can see they are very, very pretty. You get roughly 10 of those bead caps, so that's our chain and our bead caps. In this bag we've got some sort of like feature components, so we've got some large hoops and some squares or diamonds. So you've got a pair of each of those. We've got in this bag, we've got some crimps which are running everywhere, crimps and culottes, so what we use to finish the ends of our jewellery, and we've got some lovely lobster claws, so there's enough there. I think we get 10 of each and 3 lobster clasps, so 10 crimps, 10 culottes and 3 lobster clasps. That's enough to finish 5 pieces of jewellery if we use one on either end. So we'll just push those over there. We've then got lots of spacer beads. Let's just make sure they don't all roll away. So we've got different shapes and sizes of our spacer beads. if I can show you. So lots and lots of those. So these are perfect for using in your designs. And we'll put those over here if we can stop them rolling. Some of them are making a bid for freedom, but that's okay. Stay there. No, you want to be free. These two want to be free. Look at them all. Right, next bag. We've got head pins and earring findings. So we've got 4 earring findings, so 2 pairs of head pins, of shepherd hooks, and we have our lovely little head pins. Now these are the inch long head pins, so these are perfect for the designs that we're using, so we haven't got a lot of waste in them. They are really, really great to work with. So let's just put those over there. And lastly, we have our jump rings. So this is what's going to hold our pieces together. It jumps the gap between what we're beading or what we're making to the finding. So these are all the findings that you get with this March box. I'm going to clear these away and let's get on to the good stuff. Let's look at the gemstones. And we've now got our last bag. So this is our beautiful pink organza bag, and as you can see, it has our fabulous gemstones in it. So let's see what gemstones we get with this month. So the first one is our stunning 8mm green aventurine. These are so beautiful, really gorgeous green. They're like a real nice springtime green, really stunning, lovely gemstone is aventurine, really nice, and a nice big size with the 8mm. Then we've got some white opal. Now these are top drilled drops, and you get lots and lots of drops on here, really stunning. You're going to get those beautiful dendritic style inclusions in these. So you've got so many. Some of them will have like a milky opalescent to them. Some of them will be pure white, like that one, absolutely pure white. And then you've got some of these darker ones with the dendrites in, and you'll have some that have got more of a yellowish tinge to them. Really, really stunning gemstone strand. So that is your second gemstone strand. And your third gemstone strand, if you follow me on social media, you will have seen this on social media, is your faceted plum blossom tourmaline. So a beautiful tourmaline strand. Let me just get the ends together. Really, really stunning. And I'll just drape that across my hand so you can see. They are very, very, very special. Really beautiful in their colours, so you get a range of colours, and these are shaded for you as well, so you can see you get little blocks of the darker purple and dark red tourmalines, and then you've got some more of the lighter pink with some white and clear tourmalines in there as well. So really stunning. So they are your 3 gemstone strands that you get within this box. So we get our gemstone strands, we've got all of our findings. I'll just move those bags out of the way. We've got all of our findings, so lots and lots of findings. And we've got our wire and our threading materials, along with our beautiful organza bags. So we've got our 3 organza bags, and let's not forget our tea and biscuits. So this is everything that you get in the box. Now if there are any boxes that are spare, I always put them on the website, which is relaxandcraft.com. Always put them on the website under the past or previous Relax and Craft subscription boxes. So you can purchase one of those, and when you purchase one you will get the tutorial to make the feature piece of jewellery, which is Anthea's bloom. So you'll get to learn how to make this beautiful flower inspired pendant and necklace as well. So you'll get to learn how to make this really, really beautiful. So it utilises quite a few different techniques that you can make with it, but it's a really lovely project. So you'll get the tutorial on how to make that if you purchase one of the spare boxes. Like I say, always worth checking out the website. I will link everything in the description below. But if you've loved this and you think that you really would like to join our subscription every month, because we do a different medium every month with different gemstones, different findings, different inspiration designers as well. So if you think that's something that you would like to sort of like inquire about, then again, all the sort of like what you need to know is in the description below. Just check out the links in that description box. But thank you ever so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Maybe give me a follow, and then you'll always know when I'm going to be dropping a new tutorial or a new unboxing or tool review. So until the next video, thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.